Alright, what up? We're back. Gonna review what happened with futures overnight a little bit. I also want to clarify some stuff that I was talking about yesterday with a little bit of a weekly projection. These are just my thoughts put out. This is not investing advice whatsoever, and I'm not liable for your crap. So yeah, let's just go right into this. S&P 500. So overnight we went up. This was kind of expected, and I want to. The reason why I want to also make this video is I'm using these two charts now on the Nasdaq and S&P. I didn't show these yesterday. These are more of like my mid to long term ones. Those the other ones I showed yesterday are more day trading stuff and short swings because they have a lot more supply and demand zones on them. And they have a lot more support and resistance lines on them, and they're just way better for doing intraday stuff on. But these are more big picture, so I'm gonna use these a lot more for like the bigger reviews because they're more useful. So yeah, just we live and we learn. So I actually added these two yellow lines in after I woke up this morning. So I woke up, saw the price action once I woke up, obviously, and I added this bottom yellow line in because I, I saw where we were going here, and I noticed these two peaks here. So I was like, okay, these definitely connect. And then I extended it right and left. So you get these two peaks, and I extended it right, extended it left, and we got some pretty good touches. Let's make this easier to see. We got some pretty solid touches on multiple areas. And then I duplicated the line, cloned it, and I brought it up a little bit, and we see it has more touches here. And going back to there too. So this is definitely stuff worth looking into. So right now, obviously, futures are closed. It's 1 p.m. I don't take my word for this, but I'm pretty sure they open back up tomorrow morning at like either 6 or 8 a.m. But futures are done for the day. So they came up to this line and they kind of paused, which is what I was low-key expecting they were gonna do. Once I woke up and I put we were about here when I put the line down. So I was like, okay, we're probably gonna come up into that. My honest projection, this is simply my educated guess, and we'll talk about the Nasdaq right after this. This is gonna be a nice little short video. We have this supply zone right here. We're in the 1 hour supply zone right there. These all check out. I'm not gonna try and show you, but they check out. You get the point. So we have this nice supply zone right here. This is the high end of this wedge range. So we have this range right here, high, low, midline. This purple line is this line duplicated. I put another one down, duplicated it, and then we have this kind of trend going on here. It has also has touches. I could do the same thing with the upper line, put it here, and it'd probably touch there as well, and there. So I'm not gonna do that right now, but so right here, this is where I'm kind of targeting for tomorrow morning, and you're gonna get a better idea once I go with the Nasdaq. This area right here, where the upper edge of the range and the supply zone intersect, this is where I'm targeting for a reversal. I think we can easily get up here tomorrow. Uh, Screw this line. This line is there. It has good, so it's going to act as good support and resistance, I feel like, but I could easily see us hitting this right here and then bouncing right off. This is what I'd really honestly think is going to happen, and this is what I'm probably going to be playing. Switching to the Nasdaq, and we see an incredibly similar pattern. This is on the 2 hour. I'll drop it to the 1 hour, so they're consistent time frames. So yeah, they're closed today. Right here, right here, and this happens tomorrow morning. Where this line and this supply zone intersect, they coincide on both graphs, and I'd really like to see a reversal happening here. Obviously, what I'd like to see and what actually happens is two separate things. But this is what I honestly think could happen, and this is what I'm gonna be playing. I don't have as many lines on this Nasdaq because I don't really use this chart as much. But I might add some stuff in. Maybe I'll post it in the Discord, which is linked below. The Trading Gurus Discord, definitely check that out. There's a lot of good traders in there. Help you out if you need some help. And yeah, also just you can DM me on Twitter if you have any questions, leave in the comment, or go to the Trading Gurus Discord, again, link below. All great resources to get your questions answered. And if I can't answer it, I will refer to someone with a lot more experience than I do that has taught me a lot. So yeah, so this is what we're targeting. Just quick little recap. Going up, we're targeting this area right here where these supply zones and the high end of the range intersects. This range, we didn't quite test the midline, but we did test the VWAP, the anchored VWAP. We came up here, came down, tested that, and I'm not tested. Yeah, we didn't test this line, but we came down. This acted as support. We resumed off it. This was last week, however. And yeah, so this is, again, right here and right here. I know these areas they're a lot wider. This is like 50 points on the Nasdaq. This is like fucking nothing. This is like 20 points. But these are just the general areas that I think it's going to happen in. The Nasdaq and S&P. The S&P can move more than the Nasdaq. No one's like, whatever. You get the point. They can move separately, but yeah, they do tend to move together. So yeah, that's the video. Yeah, remember to like. Tell me how you're feeling about this. If you disagree with this, I want to know why you disagree with this, because it's important to know why the counter arguments for your side. So yeah, this is what I'm playing, or I'd like to be playing. This is what I think can happen. So yeah, I'll catch you later.